everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix OnePay account if phone number changed. First of all, open your OnePay app and then look for the help option. After you find it, tap that option, then select number changed. After that, verify your identity, enter all the credentials that the app asks you to enter, and make sure you are entering it correctly also. Then update your new number and then log in again. Safety tip: keep your number updated. Quick fix: contact support inside app, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.